What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. Take a look. Got these Air Jordan 13 cap and gowns on deck. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feed, so stay tuned for that on feed at the end of the video. You guys know how I do, but yeah, we're gonna jump straight into it. Figure I'd give you guys a close-up of these bad boys right here. Can't really tell if the lighting is doing any justice, but I'm gonna adjust it to whatever I can. You know, it's an all black shoe, so it's kind of tough to get that good lighting. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload videos like these. Now, the Air Jordan 13 cap and gowns, everyone knows that they released the Air Jordan 11 cap and gowns. But yeah, let's jump straight into it. I'm really sick right now. That's why I have the camera switched around and things like that. So I'm going to give you my best review as possible. But I got like a sinus infection and I'm really sick, guys. So just bear with me. Let's start off. Take a look at these bad boys right here. Now, these are set to release on April the 27th. Big shout out to my brother Ness1, man. All his info be in the description below. Go give him a follow on Instagram. And as for quality, I'm not gonna lie, the materials on this shoe is nice. Like the nubuck and, you know, the patent, it's just nice, you know what I'm saying? The retail on this shoe is 200 bucks, man, and that's a problem, you know, for a Jordan 13. I just think that's a little too much. Ain't nothing special coming with the shoe, nothing like that. It does come in a new box, and I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Take a look at that box. All blacked out box with your black Jumpman right there. Take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 13 Retro. The colorway is black. Retail on these are 200 bucks, guys. Yes, that's right. I don't know if they're gonna make these limited. I doubt it. And inside the box comes your regular plastic paper, and that is it. I really don't know why Jordan Brand will raise these to $200, to be honest with you guys. But look at the nubuck, man. The nubuck is not that ashy nubuck. It's very soft. I mean, when you touch it, it's just so smooth. Jordan tag right there. And behind the tag, it does have the Roman numeral 13, of course. You do got your black rope laces going up on the tongue. Jumpman blacked out, stitched in on the tongue. Now, look at that patent, man. You got your patent on the upper. Feels really nice. It's not that bad, you know. I don't know. I guess they want to try something different, you know. Everybody knows the 13 is represent Panther, of course. Black on the midsole. You do got your nubuck on the midsole. All right, you got your nubuck over here on the upper also. The patent leather, as you guys can see. Take a look at it, nice and shiny. Now, we do not have the hologram on this shoe. Don't know what Jordan Brand was thinking. They just put a 23 back there, blacked out with the Jumpman. Ain't nothing like the OG, of course, when you got the hologram there and stuff like that. But that looks pretty dope, man. I guess they trying different things. Medial, same as the lateral. Patent leather on the upper with your nubuck, all blacked out. Back of the shoe, take a look. As you guys can see, you got your all black in the back. And all this right here is in that nubuck. Inside is all blacked out. You got like a black Jumpman in there with your inner sole in black, sock liner in black. Take a look at the bottom. This is where you can see it's just like the cap and gowns. Cap and gowns had the patent leather, of course, on the 11. And it did have this blue tint. So you got a translucent outer sole in that blue paw print in the bottom, all blacked out on your outer sole. Carbon fiber plate with your hologram right there, black. Yeah, just an all-around blacked out Air Jordan 13. You know, if you're a Jordan 13 fan, you know, you might like these. Now, as for sizing on 13s, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? I'm going to show you guys right now exactly what they look like on feet so you guys can get a better look at them. Stay tuned. Got more videos to come, man. It's your boy, DS Dan. And I'm gone.
got lots of troops, I call them goons, yeah. Keep the stick with the scope and the zoom, yeah. With the gang in the field, what's the move, yeah. I got dread from my head to my shoes, yeah.
If I call my goons up, you know that they gon' shoot. But we just getting money, we ain't worried about you. I got niggas rippin' red, I got niggas rippin' blue. Gotta watch out for the feds, these niggas giving out clues. They hit my nigga in the head, I seen that shit on the news. When they told me that Raheem's dead, I didn't know what to do. I just gotta keep pulling off of my niggas up on them hills. Now I'm saying the label means and turning down all these deals.
I got lots of troops, I call them goons, yeah. Keep the stick with the scope and the zoom, yeah. With the gang in the field, what's the move, yeah. I got dread from my head to my shoes, yeah. Excuse my swag, I got mana. She want me to nail, she got the hammer. We just smoke loud, no Havanas. My goons on alert like it's handball, My
goons say on alert, but you don't want no cancer. One cold drill of jobs, turn him to a dancer. Lately I've been out the field trying to get my bands up. But don't you ever get it twisted, we'll still hit your camp up.
I got lots of troops, I call them goons, yeah. Keep the stick with the scope and the zoom, yeah. With the gang in the field, what's the move, yeah. I got dread from my head to my shoes, yeah.